Hey YouTube, Abdel Car Fix 2020 Toyota Camry. The complaint here, noise. It's making noise in the back when the customer backing out of the driveway. Every time they back out, it make noise, squealing noise. So he thinks brake out bad. So we check the brakes. As you see, guys, there's a lot of brake pads in here. See that? It's about maybe 90%. And we look at the parking brakes. It looks pretty good, actually. Okay. Now, my experience with Toyotas, I love Toyotas. They are the best cars out there. One thing I see a lot, noise from the brakes. Their pads always make noise. I deal with that a lot, and I always tell people. Some people go and buy them for me from Toyota, and I tell them before, when they bring them to me, I always tell them, they will make noise, and I'm not responsible. Let me use, the stuff I use O'Reilly high quality ceramic pads. They never make any noise. And some people say, oh yeah, go ahead and just do them anyway, and a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks later they say, oh, they're making noise. Toyota pads always make noise, so remember that. If you're dealing with this trouble, you have a newer Toyota and you think, hey, I'm gonna have a new car, have better brakes. You don't have most likely you don't have better brakes. What I like to do with those, I like to clean, since everything is good, I like to clean all the dust, lubricate everything, do a little bit of adjustment on the parking brake shoes, a little bit adjustment, just a little bit, because it came out really easy, too easy. So I'm thinking a little adjustment, and then I go after those pins. As you see here, these pins stuck all the way. See, these pins are stuck. They're supposed to be moving freely. That's probably the cause, most likely, of this noise. Most likely. I hate their pads, but again, stuck pins will cause problems. So here's what we're gonna do. The customers wants the new pads, does not want this anymore. I try to tell him we can lubricate it and clean it and do all that. He wants new pads. He wants just to. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna lubricate, we're gonna clean everything, we're gonna lubricate everything. We're gonna put new pads in the back. We're gonna clean and adjust the parking and brakes, and that should take care of the noise problem. Very much I've done this so many times on newer Toyotas, and every single time that solved the problem, guys. It's not hard to do. This is the adjustment screw right there. Couple of turns just to get it to where at least it makes a little contact there. I mean, not necessarily contact, but at least it's not easy. This one, it came out just like that. Just it was ready to come out. So that's too loose. So we're gonna adjust that and do all this stuff, and that should take care of our noise problem. I hope this helps somebody out there, concerning about their noise with their beautiful Camrys or Toyotas, and helps them get rid of this noise. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like my video. I know my videos are short, but I come to the point. I don't waste your time talking about stuff that you don't need to be hearing. I just go to the point. I'll tell you what's going on, how to fix it, and done deal. Thanks again.